Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write dates automatically in Microsoft Excel. So without any delay, let's get started. Are you tired of manually entering dates one by one? It's frustrating, right? Well, today I will show you two simple ways to fill dates automatically in Excel. First, we need to type the starting date in a cell. Once that's done, click on the cell and move your cursor to the lower right corner of the cell. You will notice that your cursor changes into a plus sign. Now click and hold the left mouse button, then drag it down as many rows as you want to fill with dates. Once you're satisfied, release the mouse button, and just like that, Excel automatically fills the cells with sequential dates. Now let's look at another method to fill dates without dragging the mouse. As before, type the starting date in a cell and select it. Then go to the top menu and look for the fill option in the editing group. Instead of clicking directly on fill, click the small arrow next to it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select series and a small window will appear. In this window, there are three main sections: Series In, Type, and Date Unit. Under Series In, select Columns. Under Type, select Date. Under Date Unit, check Day. Keep the step value set to 1, and here's the most important part: enter the end date in the stop value field. Once done, click OK and boom. Excel automatically fills the remaining cells with sequential dates. Pretty simple, right? So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.